Are your current urinary cat catheters not performing as well as they should? Do they separate or leak when flushing? If so, we have the solution. Introducing Tiddle Urinary Cat Catheters from Millpledge Veterinary. Tiddle Urinary Cat Catheters are perfect for use on cats of all sizes. They are available as two different versions. The Tiddle Long-Term Catheter, which can remain in situ for up to 3 days, and the Tiddle Crystal Clear, which is a short-term catheter, which can remain in situ for up to 6 hours. Both can be used for the emergency correction of urethral obstruction, flushing, and routine expression of the bladder. Tiddle Long-Term is perfect for those patients that require hospitalisation. The ergonomic finger grip is 3 cm in length, ensuring it is both easy to handle and gives a controlled insertion, making it far superior to other brands of urinary catheters that are available on the market. A cap has also been included to be placed on the hub of the urinary catheter once in situ. This is to prevent leakage of urine prior to connection to either a drainage system or syringe. A guide wire stylet has been included on all sizes and options of the Tiddle Urinary Cat Catheters. This ensures that no matter what the situation, the catheter can be introduced easily, smoothly, and with minimal discomfort to your patient. Each catheter has a Luer lock hub, which provides a safe and secure connection. Tiddle can also be used securely with a syringe to allow for flushing or aspiration of urine. Each Tiddle catheter has a rotating suture ring. This means that when the catheter is sutured in place and subsequently attached to a closed drainage system, the catheter will rotate to allow free movement of your patient, rather than pulling and potentially causing discomfort or trauma. Quite often, the passing of a urinary catheter can in itself cause problems, and it's for this reason that our Tiddle catheters have been engineered with a soft, atraumatic tip. Not only will this special tip prevent inflammation, trauma, and irritation, it will also significantly reduce the incidence of obstruction caused by swelling, and this will greatly shorten your patient's recovery time. Tiddle Long-Term is made from a high-grade polyurethane. This material softens with use, providing comfort to your patient and reducing irritation. Tiddle Crystal Clear is made from a polyurethane and PVC mix, making it more suitable for short-term use. Each catheter is provided with a protective sheath. This will help to maintain sterility before the catheter has been placed. Both Tiddle Crystal Clear and Long-Term are available with either the closed end, which has 2 side holes, or the open end. This gives the user the choice of which catheter to use in different situations. There is no right or wrong way, the choice is yours. All of our urinary catheters, whether they be for cats or dogs, are radiopaque. This means they are clearly visible on X-ray, so when radiography has been performed, you can confirm correct placement. It is important to remember that whenever placing a urinary catheter, a suitable lubricant should be used for both ease of insertion and to minimise trauma to the urethra. A 3-gram sachet of our sterile lubricant, Cathlube, is included with every urinary catheter. By using Cathlube, the sterility of the catheter during insertion is maintained. An open product may well have been contaminated prior to use. The Tiddle Crystal Clear is a short-term urinary cat catheter made from polyurethane and PVC mix. These can remain in place for up to 6 hours. They are generally used for relieving urethral obstructions and for the routine expression of the bladder. Tiddle Long-Term is made from a high-grade polyurethane. This material is highly tolerated and softens with use once it's placed in the urethra. Long-term can remain in place for up to 3 days, making them ideal for your hospitalised patients. They can also be used for routine procedures and unblocking the bladder. Each version of the Tiddle Cat Catheter is available in 3 different sizes, with each size being colour-coded to help with storage and for when you need to grab one in a hurry. The largest size is slightly longer than the standard length of catheter. ensuring that the bladder can still be reached when catheterising those larger cats we so often see in practice these days. Our Tiddle cat catheters are individually packed to maintain sterility up to the point of insertion. Each pack label is colour-coded to the hub of the urinary catheter it contains, for easy identification of the contents. Tiddle catheters are purchased as single items, enabling you to stock up on as many or as few as you require, suiting your practice needs. Each catheter is packed in a triple-sealed Millpack pouch. As well as their strength and reliability, Millpack pouches are fully recyclable, so by purchasing a Tiddle cat catheter, you are not only helping your patient, you're helping the environment as well. Please contact your local sales office for prices and availability. Further details can also be found on our website.